Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at 34 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 1.17% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an in every practical sense enormous way. ADA for the most part has a genuinely all-out market cap of $11,771,190,247 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $320,525,648 incredibly. This explicitly makes Cardano truly positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano generally be truly worth in 2023, which most certainly is very critical. Is Cardano a very wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ADA cost outperform its record-breaking high in an unpretentious manner? These especially are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost in every way that really matters is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of 49 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to by and large be 47 cents in a significant manner. Besides, ADA can for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 52 cents, which is genuinely huge. Cardano value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Cardano could generally stretch around 41 cents in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in June 2023 by and large is 37 cents with a for the most part normal cost of 40 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. Cardano value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is supposed to essentially be at around a truly least of 39 cents, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano cost can essentially arrive at a by and large limit of 43 cents with the for the most part normal cost of 41 cents in USD, in opposition to mainstream thinking. ADA value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is determined to in a real sense be at around a kind of least worth of 41 cents in an essentially significant manner. The Cardano value worth can sort of arrive at a genuinely limit of 45 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 42 cents in USD. Certainly further appearance how ADA for the most part has a really complete market cap of $11,771,190,247 with the 24-hour exchanging volume $320,525,648 in a very significant manner. ADA value conjecture September 2023. The Cardano estimate for September 2023 expects that the ADA may generally arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of 46 cents with an essentially least cost of around 43 cents in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the truly normal value, ADA can really stretch around 44 cents for September, or so they certainly thought. Cardano value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least 43 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can truly arrive at a for the most part limit of 49 cents with the very normal cost of 45 cents in USD, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. ADA value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Cardano for the most part is supposed to by and large arrive at a really least value worth of 45 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 50 cents with the kind of typical cost around 47 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. ADA value conjecture December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Cardano really is supposed to arrive at least value worth of 47 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. The ADA cost could in every practical sense arrive at a greatest cost of 52 cents with the typical cost around 49 cents in a quite huge manner. Cardano genuinely passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been most certainly diminished by 4.85% in its in every practical sense current worth, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that we by and large look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is likewise down, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that the ADA cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of 50 cents with the for the most part normal cost around 47 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano by and large is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, or so they most certainly thought. The ADA generally is down to nearly 9.98% in the kind of most recent 7 days. genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past in every practical sense. Scarcely any days, the coin could have serious areas of strength for essentially at the same time. We don't explicitly feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, which basically is very critical. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA generally diminished by 24.722%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of 11 cents from its truly current worth in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be an especially decent truly purchase an open door for a especially speedy venture, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 11.18%, and the cost flowed from a base sort of typical cost of 37 cents to fundamentally most extreme sort of normal cost of 39 cents in the beyond 90 day. So ADA value figure September 2023. The Cardano gauge for September 2023 expects that the ADA may basically arrive at a very greatest worth of 46 cents with a truly least cost of around 43 cents. Or so they especially thought. In especially most recent 4 months, Cardano explicitly has shown a developing pattern, which really is genuinely critical. In this way, we truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period, especially further appearance how ADA value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Cardano is supposed to really arrive at any rate value worth of 45 cents amazingly. As per unquestionably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano by and large is expanded from 4 months amazingly. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost amazingly. The coin fundamentally is up by 20.20% with the genuinely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin explicitly was around 27 cents and the really least especially normal cost of explicitly was around 26 cents. In genuinely beyond 4 months, Cardano value estimate 2023 FAQs what will be Cardano especially worth in 2023 in a very large manner. The ADA cost in every way that really matters is gauged to especially arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 52 cents with especially least cost of 47 cents toward the finish of 2023, which generally is very critical. Does Cardano for the most part have a future? As far as value, Cardano certainly has a remarkable all things considered potential to arrive at new levels, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking without a doubt. It especially is figure that ADA will increment in esteem, which most certainly is genuinely huge, as per most certainly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Cardano can really stir things up around town. The greatest cost of $16.63 till 2030, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Cardano genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they certainly thought. Cardano's worth especially is supposed to really keep on extending, as lack will in general truly empower cost rise. So in the event that you